This is a general guide, and your installation may vary. For more information, consult the installation manual that's shipped with your merchandiser. The next step is to install the top shrouds. First, remove the protective plastic film from each shroud piece. Then, starting on one end of the case, install the shroud using factory-supplied screws and the angle brackets that hold them in place. Cases may shift slightly while installing the shrouds, so they're installed before kick plates and bumpers to ensure proper alignment. Once all shrouds are installed, start from the same end and install the kick plates and bumpers. Install the kick plate behind the bumper and in front of the kick plate bracket. Secure the kick plate by attaching it to the top pre-drilled holes of the kick plate brackets using the supplied screws. If your lineup includes a partition wall, a kick plate joiner will be provided. Secure it in place using the 2 supplied screws. Then install the bumper by placing the top of the retaining rail and inserting sheet metal screws through the bottom pre-drilled holes of the bracket. Thank you for watching our installation guide for Masterbuilt semi-self-contained endless merchandisers. For more resources or assistance, visit our website or call us. We're here to help.